Okay, so let's just say you want to save this letter in her case manager, or in your little caseload document. This way you know that you sent a letter to the parent. So once again, when you click on that person's name, this actually comes up with this own address, okay? So you're going to come over here. This is Anna's. And the best way that you can do this for Excel is just to do the share. And do your share. And you're obviously sharing this with yourself. I get it. So just do come on over here and click that. And you just need to view it because this is your own copy. Apply, copy link. So come on over to your caseload. Click there. 3 dots. Ugh, sorry. Let's do the right click. There we go. Insert. Display text, parent letter. And then come on over here and Control V, and there it is. And then you have evidence that you sent the letter to the parent because it's right on her, on your little case manager document. It's pretty easy.